Number.
So the adjective of number means what?
We can
Any
count
goods,
any goods.
any goods which we can
Count.
Any goods which we can
Count.
are called
Adjective of number.
adjective of
Number.
Any goods which we can count are called
Adjective of number.
adjective of
Number.
For suppose first, few, one, and any number,
Number.
any particular
Number.
are called adjective of
Number.
Talking about this demonstrative. What is
Demonstrative.
if there is demonstrative word, what are the examples? This, that, these, those. Understand?
Yes.
Can you understand? समझ आ रहा है? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So we have done the four type which is none other than
Demonstrative.
demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative
Adjective.
examples this, that, these,
Those.
Talking about the distributive. Distributive means divide anything in particular groups. Divide anything in particular
Groups.
कोई भी particular group में अगर कोई divide करना है उसको तो what we can use
Demonstrative.
distributive.
No, distributive.
If we have to divide anything, we will use.
Distributive.
For example, every boy has to bring their identity card. Every student have to draw their identity
Card.
सभी स्टूडेंट को अपना आइडेंटिटी कार्ड लाना है. सभी स्टूडेंट को बोल रहा है अरे सभी स्टूडेंट बांटा गया तभी ना बोलेंगे. अब ऐसे थोड़ी तो बना के लेते हैं. यस और नो?
No.
यस और नो? नो.
No.
अपना स्टूडेंट खुद आइडेंटिटी कार्ड बनाएंगे.
No.
कि मैं इतना अच्छा हूँ उसको टीचर देगी ना कि हाँ तुम इतने अच्छे हो अपना लेके आना. सभी बच्चों को मिला होगा डिवाइड हुआ होगा इसलिए टीचर सेज एवरी स्टूडेंट हैव टू ब्रॉट देयर आइडेंटिटी कार्ड. So if you divide anything into group, they are called distributive
Adjective.
Distributive
Adjective.
Distributive
Adjective.
If we have to divide anything into groups, they are called
Distributive.
distributive adjective. Talking about the
Possessive.
possessive means belonging. Possessive means
Belonging.
ठीक है? For suppose my car color is blue. My car color is
Blue.
मेरी कार है. My car मेरी कार है. अब दूसरी की कार थोड़ी है. मैंने जब बोल दी my car तो मेरी कार है. Their car color is उनके कार. Our car color is your car color is तब ना आ रहा किसी और का. But I am saying my car color is तो मेरा कार है. Yes or no?
Yes.
अपना belonging बता रहे हैं. किसी और का belonging बता सकते हैं. So this is possessive means
Belonging.
belonging. Possessive means
Belonging.
Talking about the last type which is none other than
Interrogative.
What does interrogative mean?
Question.
What does interrogative mean?
Question.
Interrogative का मतलब
Question.
So we are taking example of who, whose, which. Examples from who? Who say any example? Then
Who's your teacher?
who are you? Yeah? What are you saying? Who is your name? क्या सही है?
No.
Is this correct?
No.
Correct?
क्या?
Who's your home?
Who's your home?
Yeah, who? We don't have to put whose. You have to make sentences who.
Who are you?
Who are you? Who are you? Are you?
This.
ये किसका कार है? Whose का मतलब किसका? English sentence नहीं है, English sentence. Whose the book? It is. Whose the book? It is. ये किसका book? ठीक है? और कुछ सुनो.
Whose water is.
Okay. These are the examples of whose. Talking about the which. तो which हम लोग किसके लिए use करते हैं? Which हम लोग किसके लिए use करते हैं? None. किसके लिए? किसके लिए?
Which part is that? Which book is yours?
These all are the examples of
Which?
so we have today what we study.
Adjective. Adjective.
What is?
Adjective.
What is adjective?
Noun and
When noun and pronoun are described are called
Adjective.
are called
Adjective.
adjective. So this is adjective, yes or no?
Yes.
No. Because there are many more types. This is the first part of
Adjective.
this is the first part of
Adjective.
अब यहाँ first part है यहाँ this is the first part then the second part is also there. First part है तो second part होगा ना? Yes. So the second part is degrees. What is?
Degrees.
Degree. Okay. Degree of
Adjective.
degree of
Adjective.
degree of
Adjective.
adjective. So degree in adjective are only three degrees are in adjective. First one. There are three degrees. There are
3 degrees.
there are
3 degrees.
there are three
3
degrees.
degrees.
There are three degrees. First one. Positive. First one is
Positive.
first one is
Positive.
first one is
Positive.
second one. What is second one? Second one is comparative. Second one is
Comparative.
second one is
Comparative.
comparative. Now then
Comparative.
comparative. Third one, which is none other than superlative. आप लोग इसको स्टडी किए होंगे. The degree of adjectives are positive, comparative and
Superlative.
positive, comparative and
Superlative.
positive, comparative and
Superlative.
Positive means any word. For example, smart, intelligent, ugly, beautiful. But in comparative, we have to use two types. We have to use 2%.
2%.
2%. Why? Because we have to what? Compare.
Compare.
In compare, we need how many percent? Maximum?
2.
Minimum?
2.
Minimum 2% are there for compare.
Comparative.
Are there for compare. Compare.
Compare.
And this degree is called comparative. This degree is called
Comparative.
comparative. So in positive there is no single. There is in positive there is no article. जब पॉजिटिव वर्ड हम लोग लगाते हैं तो कोई आर्टिकल नहीं लगता. फॉर सपोज ही इज इंटेलिजेंट, ही इज स्मार्ट, ही इज अगली, शी इज गुड, शी इज ऑनेस्ट, शी इज क्राइम. जो आते हैं हमारे वी डोंट पुट आर्टिकल. समझ आ रहा है?
Yes.
In positive we don't put article. In positive we don't put
Article.
For suppose he is brilliant, he is intelligent, he is
Intelligent.
So the in before intelligent can we put article? No. क्या लोग intelligent के पहले article लगा सकते हैं? नहीं. और क्या intelligent के पहले article लगा हुआ है? No. लगा हुआ है he is intelligent में and the लगा हुआ है स्मार्ट ही इज
Smart.
कैसे आर्टिकल लगा है स्मार्ट अगर कोई भी डिग्री के पहले आर्टिकल लग जाए तो उसे हम क्या कहेंगे पॉजिटिव मतलब उसे आर्टिकल नहीं लगे तब पॉजिटिव आर्टिकल नहीं लगे तो
Positive.
आर्टिकल अगर नहीं लगे अगर पॉजिटिव क्या होता है कि आर आर्टिकल उसमें नहीं लगना चाहिए आर्टिकल
नहीं लगना चाहिए.
we don't have to put
Article.
we don't have to put
Article.
in comparative we have to put one word before the degree for suppose smart we have यहाँ पर हम क्या put किए smart smart Ram is smarter than Rohan Ram is smarter than
Rohan.
Ram is smarter than Rohan ये क्या हो गया comparative
Compare.
what is it
Comparative.
because we have used two persons
Person.
and to compare it we have used
Two person.
first one is Ram and second one is
Rohan.
then I say Ram is smarter Ram is
Smarter.
Ram is
Smarter.
Ram is smarter
Smarter.
इससे ज़्यादा तेज है अब यहाँ पर क्या लग गया smarter और ई आ गया क्या लग गया
E आ
और
गया.
वहीं यहाँ पर अगर हम पॉजिटिव में बनाएंगे तो he is smarter नहीं होगा he is smart
Smart.
he is
Smart.
smart और वहीं यहाँ लगाएंगे तो Ram is smarter than
Rohan.
Ram is smarter than
Rohan.
Ram is smarter than
Rohan.
तो यहाँ क्या वर्ड लग गया than क्या लग गया अगर
Than.
किसी भी अगर कंपेयर करें तो वर्ड क्या लगता है क्या लगता है कोई भी अगर आप कोई भी पर्सन को कोई भी थिंग को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं तो कौन सा वर्ड लगेगा
Than.
दिस बुक इज ब्यूटीफुल देन दिस बुक दिस बुक इज ब्यूटीफुल देन
This
क्या लग गया
book.
देन लग गया तो जब देन लगे तो क्या होता है comparative because it can compare it can
Compare.
compare it can
Compare.
compare ओके तो ये हमारा क्या
Comparative.
comparative क्या था
Comparative.
क्या था
Comparative.
क्या था comparative तो ये हमारा एग्जांपल किसका पॉजिटिव
Positive.
एग्जांपल ऑफ
Positive.
एग्जांपल ऑफ
Positive.
एग्जांपल ऑफ comparative Ram is smarter so the positive is smart comparative is smarter and the superlative is smartest क्या होगा
Smartest.
यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव में कोई आर्टिकल नहीं लगता है कंपेरेटिव में than लगता है कंपेरेटिव में और यहाँ सुपरलेटिव में हमारा क्या लगता है the लगता है क्या लगता है this book is you this is you are most intelligent you are
Most intelligent.
और Ram is smartest Ram is तो क्या लग गया EST Ram is smartest ये तो हो गया क्या ये होगा Ram is smartest ये तो हो गया सेंटेंस बन गया Ram is smartest सेंटेंस बना ना
हाँ.
सब्जेक्ट लगा वर्ब लगा और क्या लगा सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एंड
Object.
Ram is the smartest सही है यस और नो सही है क्यों यहाँ द लगेगा क्या लगेगा
The.
क्या लगेगा तो Ram is the
Smartest.
Ram is the
Smartest.
Ram is the smartest अगर पॉजिटिव हो तो क्या लगता है कोई आर्टिकल नहीं पॉजिटिव हो तो
कोई article नहीं.
कंपैरेटिव हो देन क्या लगता है
Then.
देन नहीं देन
Then.
देन हो गया
THAN.
THAN और देन हो गया THAN क्या लगेगा
Then.
देन क्या लगेगा
Then.
देन ठीक है और सुपरलेटिव में क्या लगेगा क्या लगेगा क्या लगेगा
The.
कंपैरेटिव में नो आर्टिकल
No article.
पॉजिटिव
Positive
में
में no article.
we use no article in we use than in comparative we use the in
Superlative.
superlative first was smarter smart smarter and smartest
Smartest.
intelligent more intelligent and most intelligent if there is big words there is
Big words.
first was intelligent beautiful these are big words so क्या यहाँ लगा सकते beautiful beautifuler beautifulest यहाँ पर लगेगा beautiful
Adjective.
डिग्रीज ऑफ
Adjective.
ठीक है, क्या था हमारा डिग्रीज ऑफ
Adjective.
इसमें पॉजिटिव में नो आर्टिकल, कंपैरेटिव में देन एंड सुपरलेटिव में कॉपी करके जाएंगे। डिग्री डन। आगे क्लियर है सबको? हो गया।
चलो
देखिए अब टास्क क्या रहेगा? 5 sentences each. 5 sentences each. किससे?
degree of adjective
Degree of
adjective
जब डिग्री लिखे हैं ठीक है
आते जाते